Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams and I'm back with the SRT Practice Exercise Part 17 जहाँ पे हम कुछ important situations discuss करने जा रहे हैं जो बहुत commonly आपके situation reaction test यानी SRT में पूछा जाता है and आपको response करना पड़ता है according to your own your own nature and what you will actually do in that kind of situation. So आपको पता है SRT that is situation reaction test जो है third psychological test होता है जिसके through आपके different psychological aspects behavioral and emotional एटीट्यूड्स एंड रिएक्शंस को टेस्ट करते हैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट। तो चलिए देखते हैं एसआरटी में किस तरह के सिचुएशंस आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाता है और आपको किस तरह के रिस्पॉन्सेस आप लिख सकते हो उनके लिए। फर्स्ट जो सिचुएशन हम देखेंगे वो है हिज फ्रेंड इज नॉट टॉकिंग टू हिम ही। अगर आपके दोस्त आपके साथ बात ना कर रहा है तो आप रियल लाइफ में क्या करोगे? तो यूजुअली आप क्या करोगे? यू विल आस्क व्हाट इज द मैटर एंड यू विल क्लियर इफ देयर इज अ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग। सो दिस विल शो दैट यू आर सोशली एडजस्टेबल पर्सन। ऑल्सो सेम चीज आप अदर लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करोगे, मैटर को इंक्वायर करोगे एंड देन टुगेदर यू विल क्लियर द मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग। ठीक है, यही करना है बेसिकली। Second situation can be he's getting into a train and a person pickpockets his wallet and get dissolved in the crowd. So of course, as a situation, we have to inform the RPF. So either you can run after him, catch him, hand him over to the RPF and get the wallet from him. Yeah, you will lodge FIR to the RPF and got a copy of it, and then you can use your digital wallet or your UPI to get the financial transactions done. Okay. Next, he is going downhill with friends and found that his brakes have failed. इस केस में क्या करोगे? You will stop the cycle from foot, repair the brakes using repairing kit and continue cycling. Yeah, you will stop the cycle with the help of other friends on the cycle, got the brakes repaired with the help of them or from the nearest repairing shop and continued, going downhill. Next situation, his brother died, leaving his wife and two children behind. So obviously, as a family member, आपको उनका देखभाल करना है. So what you will arrange a job for the wife and support them in every possible way. या फिर you will motivate her, arrange part-time job, ensure good life for the children. You will also take care of the small needs if they need anything. Okay, you will take the educational responsibility of the child and help the wife find the job so that she can earn livelihood for themselves. ये भी आप करोगे, ठीक है? Next, he's going through a jungle and finds a tiger 10 meters in front of him. क्या करोगे? In that case, you will stand firm and calm. Continue looking at the tiger. Wait for the tiger to go and cross the jungle. Yeah, you will hide behind the tree, cross the jungle after the tiger goes back. Next, his sister's marriage is approaching and his wife asks from him money urgently for opening a beauty parlor. तो इस केस में इधर आप अपने वाइफ को कन्विंस करोगे और आप उनका डिमांड फुलफिल करोगे आफ्टर सिस्टर्स मैरिज, या यू विल अरेंज मनी और यू विल अरेंज योर वाइफ टू टेक बिजनेस लोन फ्रॉम अ बैंक, गेट हर लोन अप्रूव्ड और सैंक्शंस एंड हेल्प हर टू गेट द ब्यूटी पार्लर एस्टैब्लिश्ड, लॉन्च्ड. ठीक है, ये भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, the person comes to him late night and asks for staying at his house. इस केस में देखो वो तो स्ट्रेंजर है, ठीक है? तो इस केस में आप क्या कर सकते हो? You will politely refuse to do so and told him about the nearest hotel or the dharmashala where he can put up, or you can either call your friend and together you can help him find a good accommodation. Okay, or you will inquire about him and come to know that he is a relative of yours, and then you will make him stay at your own place. ये भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Next, his sister's marriage and an urgent meeting are on the same day. इस केस में ऑब्वियसली आप क्या कर सकते हो? पहले आप अपनी एनुअल मीटिंग जो है उसको अटेंड कर सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन कम बैक एंड फॉर द टाइमिंग यू कैन गिव द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू योर अदर सिबलिंग्स और अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली. Tell them to take care of the arrangements and you will complete your meeting within 2 to 3 hours and then you will come back and help with the sister's marriage. Yeah, you will attend the meeting through online mode, through Skype at home, and then after the meeting is complete you can get involved in your sister's marriage. तो इसमें कोई भी कर सकते, या आप मीटिंग को पोस्टपोन कर सकते, ठीक है? या अपने जूनियर को भेज सकते हो उस मीटिंग में एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ यू और ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यू. ओके, अपने टीममेट को भेज सकते हो and you can take polite permission from them to attend your sister's marriage. Okay, next, he gets information about terrorists in an area but his senior doesn't allow him. इस केस में you will follow your senior's order because जब senior मना कर रहे हैं तो कोई ना कोई बात तो जरूर होगा. या you will give him proofs and information, discuss the matter and give your own points about why this issue needs to be addressed as soon as possible. Your senior gets convinced and allows you to go and arrest them. ठीक है, तो ये भी आप कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, ही इज द सीईओ ऑफ द यूनिट एंड गेट्स न्यूज दैट वन ऑफ द जवान्स हैज ट्राइड टू शूट हिमसेल्फ। ही, तो इस केस में यू विल इंक्वायर द रीजन, sort out the problems or the issue related to him, motivate him to not to do this again. Yeah, you will find out that he is currently going through a very stressful situation, and you will help him to get temporary leave from the services and help him to find a good therapist. After he is cured, he can give his psychological fitness certificate and joins back the service. So ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. So these are some of the important situations which can come up in your SRT. ऐसे बहुत सारे सिचुएशन से कैंडिडेट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि क्या लिखना है. बेसिकली आप जो एक्चुअल सिचुएशन में करोगे यही आपको लिखना है. डू नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट एनी अदर्स रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, यू शुड हैव टू do or write what things you will do in that particular situation. Now I'll give you 5 situations and I want you to write one response for each of the 5 situations in the comment box below. This will be your homework. So the first situation is, while crossing the forest, he found one of his friends has lost the way. Second, he has to appear in Bhopal for SSB, but the train in which he has reservation was cancelled due to bad weather. Third, he saw a kid being bullied by some other children in a bus. Fourth, he has to meet Deputy Commissioner urgently, but he is busy that day. And fifth, he has recently joined college in a new city. He was out to buy books and found that he is out of money to reach back to the hostel. So in situations के लिए एक एक response आप नीचे comment box में लिख सकते हैं, and I will definitely read it and correct it if possible. And if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB interview like this, please make sure you're joining our SSB interview online course. Through this, you'll get 5 SSB procedure full information, and you can also join our live classes and practice more for your upcoming SSB interview. If you're preparing for any other written defense exam, उसके लिए भी courses आपको हमारे ऐप के थ्रू मिल जाएंगे. So join our app, install our app, SSB Crack Exams Learning app today, and use the code Warrior10 while you're getting enrolled into any course, so that you'll get 10% discount on the courses. That was it from my side. I hope to see you very soon with part 18 of the SRT practice exercise, where I'll bring some more situations of SRT for you and discuss the responses for them as well. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।